Hi everyone. I hope you are doing great. Today, we're going to start a series of grammar correction rules. In today's video, we will discuss 5 cases. So let's start it. Here you can see 5 cases written on the screen. Case number 1 is first form of a verb. Case number 2 is third form of a verb. Case number 3 is ing form. Case number 4 majority versus majority of. Case number 5 is so versus such. These rules are beneficial in content writing, exams, different language tests, and interviews. Now look at the first rule. First form of verb will always use with following: will, shall, may, might, can, could, should. Would, must, ought, to, do, does, and did. It will become apparent when we look at the example. 1. He came here to see me. Here sentence refers to something that happened in the past, but there is a first form of verb after to. Second example is I might see you tomorrow. Third. You didn't say a word to your father. Let's move to the second case. Where will we use the third form of a verb? Third form of the verb will always operate with following: past perfect tense, has, have, had, will be and shall be. Passive sentence, will have been and shall have been, future perfect tense. Its examples are: by this time next year we will have been married for 30 years. Can you tell me when this will be completed? Look at this sentence, there is third form of verb after will be because this is passive sentence. So always keep it in your mind when the sentence is active, then third form is not used. Case number 3, ing form. The following verbs or phrases are followed by ing form: be, is, am, are, was, were. Be accustomed to. Be addicted to. Be used to. Get accustomed to, get used to keep with. With a view to. Let's see examples. He is used to gamble, incorrect. This sentence needs to be corrected grammatically because there is no ing with gamble after used to. The second sentence is correct. He is used to gambling, correct. Case number 4 majority versus majority of. Majority, singular, helping verb plus verb. Majority of, plural, verb plus helping verb. Examples are: the majority is unwilling to listen to the views of teachers. A clear majority of the voters support the policy. Case 5 so versus such. We use so when there is an adjective without a noun. But we use such when there is a noun. Examples: she is such a great cook. That was so unpleasant. The dress is so beautifully made. It is such a beautifully made dress.